Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to check Uber history on mobile phone. So I just log into my Uber account and now I will just move in my activity. You will see which is bottom lower. So just tap on activity, so you will see this is my past ride history. So this is, you can check on Uber the history which you have ride past days and months. So here are the all history. You will see there is the time mentioned and the date also mentioned while you riding. So this is how to check the activity of your Uber. So it's very easy and simple. You can make it in your record if you want to check the Uber rides history. So hope this video helped you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.